Hello, AP Biology students. We're going to go over the 16th section in Unit 3. And in this section, we're going to talk about something called the prep step. The prep step comes after glycolysis and occurs in the matrix of the mitochondria. So what has to happen are the pyruvate molecules that are made in the previous step, glycolysis, they have to cross the double membrane of the mitochondria to make their way into the matrix here. Now, this step is also known as pyruvate decarboxylation, but I like to refer to the prep step because it's easy to remember. Like I said before, pyruvate's going to move now into the matrix of the mitochondria. During this reaction, pyruvate, which is 3 carbons, is going to be converted into acetyl-CoA, which is 2 carbons. During this reaction, NAD is also going to oxidize pyruvate and become NADH. Now remember, NAD becoming NADH is going to be a reduction reaction since it's gaining electrons. Now this reaction is also going to produce CO2, which is carbon dioxide. And this is where the carbon is lost when pyruvate, 3 carbons, is going to be converted into acetyl-CoA, which is 2 carbons. Now, technically, the 2-carbon group is going to be known as acetyl. This CoA is going to be a coenzyme A, which is a molecule that's going to help facilitate the reaction of acetyl working within the Krebs cycle. I'll show you what that looks like here in a little bit. But this whole step has to occur twice because we're getting 2 pyruvate molecules from glycolysis. Remember that glucose is broken down during glycolysis, which is 6 carbons, and it's going to produce 2 of the 3 carbon pyruvate molecules. So each pyruvate has to go through this reaction per glucose. So at the end here, we're making 2 acetyl-CoAs, 2 CO2s, and 2 NADHs. Now remember that coenzyme A? This is what it kind of looks like. You can see the acetyl group up here, and this is that coenzyme A. It's just a large molecule that helps facilitate the acetyl group here going into the next step, which is called the Krebs cycle. And whoever made this meme, you are a genius. I absolutely love it.